If you've ever reset a password just to forget it 5 minutes later, then you need help. RoboForm might not be the flashiest name on today's list, but when it comes to autofill specifically, nothing beats it. It nails the everyday stuff like logging into apps, filling out long web forms, even remembering those tiny details like your passport number or billing address. You can save multiple identities for work, personal, or travel, and RoboForm fills them out in seconds with 0 errors. The app also has a built-in secure browser, which works great if you prefer not to use Safari, but still want full autofill support. And while the interface isn't as polished as 1Password or Keeper, it's still fast, reliable, and easy to navigate. For anyone who manages dozens of logins, RoboForm's password auditing and emergency access tools are genuinely useful. You can also share passwords and bookmark securely, or organize everything into custom folders for quick access. And here's something underrated: RoboForm syncs beautifully between iOS, Mac, and Windows, so switching devices never breaks your workflow. It's simple, efficient, and quietly brilliant at what it does. And in case you're not ready to pay yet, let's talk about NordPass, the best free option that is worth trying. NordPass is the lightweight, beginner-friendly pick on today's list. It gives you everything you need to get started, like strong encryption, autofill that actually works, and a simple, modern interface that doesn't feel overwhelming. The free plan covers unlimited passwords, which is rare, but you can only use it on one device at a time. Upgrade and you can unlock multi-device sync, password sharing, and email masking that hides your real address when you sign up for sites. Behind the scenes, NordPass uses XChaCha20 encryption, one of the most advanced algorithms available, and includes dark web monitoring and password health reports to help spot weak logins before hackers do. It's smooth on iOS, integrates with Face ID, and feels fast when autofilling in Safari. And if you're switching from Apple's built-in password app, importing your saved logins takes less than a minute. Okay, so which one should you actually use? Well, after testing all of them, here's our quick takeaway. For everyday use, I feel like RoboForm is the underrated gem. It's simple, affordable, and the autofill just works. But if you need a free option, NordPass Free gives you a taste of premium features without cutting corners on security. Each of these apps keeps your data encrypted, supports Face ID, and syncs smoothly across Apple devices. The real difference is what you need: simplicity, privacy, or all-out power. We've linked to all of the password managers that we talked about in today's video down in the description box below, so definitely check those out. And as always, thank you so much for watching Safety Detectives. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.